Here's how to fix if your iPhone camera is blurry. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you're trying to take a photo or a video, but you find that every time you pop up with the camera, either the front or rear one, and it's blurry, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now let's open up the camera app here. And now that we have the camera, there are a couple different things we can do within the camera. One is if you're really zoomed in, then potentially it just can't focus enough, because you can see if I'm really zoomed in and I'm on this, it might look a little bit blurry because essentially it's just having a hard time focusing. So you could switch it back to the normal zoom and it should have the ability to focus. But one of the things you'll see at the very bottom left is that little basically plant icon. That is the macro. So if you see, if I zoom all the way in and that's toggled off, it won't be able to focus. It's just blurry. So essentially you need to turn on macro to be able to focus. You can see a huge difference in whether it's blurry or crisp and clear. Now, another thing that you can do is that potentially it's blurry because it's just focusing on the wrong thing. So let's say it's focused right here at the tripod stand, but the basically control, you want to be focused. You can just take your finger and tap on where you want to focus. And just like that, your iPhone will recognize what you want to focus on and focus on that. Now, those are steps that we can take within the camera, but there are also settings in the camera settings that we need to change. So let's go into settings here. We'll tap on camera, and then at the very bottom, you can see macro control. Now, I would recommend toggling this off and trying your camera now, and then toggling it on and trying it again. Now, another culprit for blurry photos or videos is this lens correction. So you might want to turn this lens correction off or on, depending on what it's currently set at, to just change it and see if that helps to fix things. Another thing we can do is at the very top, let's tap on record video. And you can see here, enhance stabilization. If that is turned off, then potentially your iPhone, when you're taking a video, will be blurry because your phone is just kind of moving slightly because your hand can't be perfectly still. So I would recommend making sure enhanced stabilization is turned on. Now, if you go through all these steps, but it's still blurry, the next thing I would recommend doing is checking the physical lens itself. If you have a case, and especially if you have a screen protector on the front, oftentimes those can get dirty and just cause issues with the actual lens. So get a cloth, clean around the actual lens, and then at the very front here, you might want to take that screen protector off, clean your entire iPhone, see if that fixes the camera and its ability to focus. If that doesn't work, let's head into your settings and go back here. We'll tap on general, and then at the very bottom, let's just hit shut down. Now, just by turning off your phone and restarting it, you'd be surprised how many times that fixes bugs or glitches in your iPhone. So just try shutting everything down and restarting your phone. Again, a lot of times this fixes issues with your phone. And then at the very top, let's tap on software update and just update to the latest iOS operating system. You can see I have iOS 18.2. So just update to the latest version here. Again, a lot of times if there are bugs or glitches within that camera app, then they'll just be fixed in new iOS operating system updates. So update to the latest version. Now, let's say you went through this entire process, but you still can't take clear pictures, it's still blurry. I would recommend taking it into an Apple store. They'll plug in your iPhone and run some diagnostics on the camera to see if there's a physical issue with the hardware on the camera on your iPhone, and potentially it needs to be either fixed or replaced. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.